Learn English to Gujarati. Become, I will, and future forms with
thavũ.
Welcome to Future You. Hey, you are about to learn Gujarati through change, promises, and a suspiciously ambitious potato. Relax, listen out loud, and enjoy the ride. Today's key idea is movement from now to later, from one state to another. In English, that means words like become, I will, and they will become. In Gujarati, your star word is
thavũ.
which often means become or happen depending on context. You will also practice
હું કરીશ.
for I will,
તું બનશે.
for you would become,
તે બનશે.
for he will become or she will become,
તે બને છે.
for it becomes,
અમે કરીશું.
for we will,
તમે બધા કરશો.
for you all will, and
તેઓ બનશે.
for they will become. If that sounds like a lot, good news, repetition becomes your friend. Or in Gujarati, practice and patience help things
thavũ.
easier. Your core word, become. Let's start with the engine of today's chapter. If words had a gym coach, this one would be yelling, change. The English word become is
thavũ.
say it slowly.
thavũ.
Children become adults over time. In Gujarati,
બાળકો સમય જતાં મોટા થવું.
Ch.380. It can become cold at night. In Gujarati,
રાત્રે ઠંડુ થવું.
Ch.380. Dreams become plans when you write them down. In Gujarati,
સપના લખો ત્યારે યોજનાઓ થવું.
Ch.380. Funny memory trick. Imagine a potato wearing sunglasses and announcing, I will.
થવું.
A movie star. The potato has confidence. The potato has no talent. But the potato is committed. I will do it. Now we move from change to determination. This is the phrase you use when you want to sound brave, useful, or dramatically overconfident. I will is.
હું કરીશ.
Repeat it.
હું કરીશ.
I will help you. In Gujarati.
હું તારી મદદ કરીશ.
I will learn Gujarati. In Gujarati.
હું ગુજરાતી શીખીશ.
Tiny dialogue. A. Will you do it? B.
હું કરીશ.
Imagine pointing to yourself and stepping into the future.
હું કરીશ.
A lazy cat suddenly stands up like a hero and says,
હું કરીશ.
then immediately falls asleep again. This is not ideal grammar behavior, but it is excellent memory behavior. You, he, she, and the future. Here comes the future parade. Listen for the pronouns and notice how Gujarati builds these useful forms. You would become.
તું બનશે.
He will become.
તે બનશે.
She will become.
તે બનશે.
Yes, he will become and she will become. Use the same Gujarati form here.
તે બનશે.
One day, you would become a great teacher. In Gujarati.
એક દિવસ તું બનશે એક મહાન શિક્ષક.
One day, he will become a doctor. In Gujarati.
એક દિવસ તે ડોક્ટર બનશે.
She will become a doctor. In Gujarati.
તે ડોક્ટર બનશે.
Encouragement line for you.
તું બનશે.
Something wonderful one day. Encouragement line for him.
તે બનશે.
Successful. Encouragement line for her.
તે બનશે.
Great. A caterpillar in sunglasses whispers to another caterpillar.
તું બનશે.
A butterfly influencer. Social media has gone too far. When it becomes. Not everything is a person. Sometimes soup, weather, and your haircut also change dramatically. It becomes is.
તે બને છે.
Say it.
તે બને છે.
With practice, it becomes easier. In Gujarati, Abhyasa Saith.
તે બને છે.
Vadu Sarala. When the sun rises, the sky becomes bright. In Gujarati, Surya Yuj Tyre Akasa Tejasvi.
તે બને છે.
A rough idea is clay, with work.
તે બને છે.
A sculpture. Comic example. A boring sandwich puts on sunglasses in.
તે બને છે.
A celebrity snack. Nobody asked for this, but everyone remembers it. We and you all. Now let's make things social. Because language learning is more fun when everyone joins the chaos. We will is.
અમે કરીશું.
You all will is.
તમે બધા કરશો.
Repeat both.
અમે કરીશું. તમે બધા કરશો.
We will learn together. In Gujarati.
અમે સાથે શીખીશું.
I know you all will do it. In Gujarati.
મને ખબર છે કે તમે બધા કરશો.
Tiny team dialogue. A. Can your group finish it? B.
અમે કરીશું.
Coach voice. Don't worry.
તમે બધા કરશો.
Even a lazy cat joins the group meeting and meows.
અમે કરીશું.
The cat still contributes nothing, but morale improves. They will become. Last big future form. This one is perfect for talking about groups, students, children, or a very ambitious crowd of potatoes. They will become is.
તેઓ બનશે.
Repeat it.
તેઓ બનશે.
They will become doctors one day. In Gujarati.
તેઓ એક દિવસ ડોક્ટર બનશે.
If they study hard, they will become successful. In Gujarati.
જો તેઓ મહેનતથી અભ્યાસ કરશે તો તેઓ સફળ બનશે.
These children will become strong adults. In Gujarati.
આ બાળકો મજબૂત મોટાઓ બનશે.
Teacher voice. One day.
તેઓ બનશે.
Scientists, artists, and leaders. A pile of potatoes puts on sunglasses and announces.
તેઓ બનશે.
Movie stars. This chapter has entirely too many potatoes and yet not enough. Mini story. The School of Future Legends. Time for a short story. Just listen first, then listen again and catch the key Gujarati phrases. A nervous class stared at a difficult project. One student whispered, "Can we really do this?" The teacher smiled like someone who had seen many dramatic students before breakfast. She pointed to the first student and said,
તું બનશે.
more confident. She pointed to a quiet boy and said,
તે બનશે.
a strong leader. She pointed to a quiet girl and said,
તે બનશે.
brilliant. Then she looked at the whole class and declared,
તેઓ બનશે.
amazing adults. The class looked at each other. One brave student stood up and said,
હું કરીશ.
another added.
અમે કરીશું.
The teacher laughed and said, exactly. And yes.
તમે બધા કરશો.
By the end of the week, the hard project.
તે બને છે.
Easier. Fear starts to.
થવું.
Smaller. Confidence starts to.
થવું.
Bigger. And the class? Well, maybe not legends yet. But definitely less confused. Quick drill. Your turn. I say the English, you say the Gujarati. If you answer out loud, your brain becomes slightly more impressed with you. Become.
થવું.
I will.
હું કરીશ.
You would become.
તું બનશે.
He will become.
તે બનશે.
She will become.
તે બનશે.
It becomes.
તે બને છે.
We will.
અમે કરીશું.
You all will.
તમે બધા કરશો.
They will become.
તેઓ બનશે.
Final challenge. One last stretch. See if you can follow the chain of meaning from English to Gujarati without panicking dramatically. Say this in Gujarati. I will help.
હું મદદ કરીશ.
Say this in Gujarati. We will learn together.
અમે સાથે શીખીશું.
Say this in Gujarati. They will become successful.
તેઓ સફળ બનશે.
Say this in Gujarati. With practice, it becomes easier. Abhyasa Saith.
તે બને છે.
Vadu Sarala. Say this in Gujarati. You all will do it.
તમે બધા તે કરશો.
Bonus confidence sentence. I want to become better. You can remember the heart of it with
થવું.
thanks and keep going. Nice work. You made it through future forms, change words, and several highly motivated potatoes. Today you practiced
થવું. હું કરીશ. તું બનશે. તે બનશે. તે બને છે. અમે કરીશું. તમે બધા કરશો.
and
તેઓ બનશે.
Thank you for listening. Keep practicing out loud, repeat the phrases tomorrow, and let your Gujarati
thavũ,
stronger every day. You are doing great, and yes, absolutely.
હું કરીશ,
Believe in you.